Hi, welcome back to my AI tutorial channel. Today, I will show you how to create dancing anime videos using an AI video generator tool. All tutorials on this channel are easy to follow for everyone, no matter who you are or what language you speak. So, let's get started. To create a dancing anime video in this tutorial, we will use Unboring AI Video Generator. You can find the link to this AI tool in this video description. Step 1. Create an Unboring AI account. Click the Sign In button to create an Unboring AI account. You can use your Gmail or Facebook account. You will receive 5 free tokens to try this AI tool. Step 2. Upload your video. After logging into upload your video by clicking the Upload button. In this example, I am using dancing videos from Pexels. Wait for the uploading process to complete. Step 3. Trim your video. Once your video is fully uploaded, you can trim it by dragging the start and end points. Step 4. Select AI. Now, choose your video style. In this example, I will use the anime video style. A 15-second video will cost 30 tokens, meaning that 1 second costs 2 tokens. The rendering process for this 15-second video will be completed in approximately 29 minutes. Step 5. Render your AI video. Once everything is set, click the Restyle button to start generating your AI video. After the rendering process is complete, click the Download button to save your AI-generated video. Here are some video results from this AI video generator tool. Thank you for watching this AI tutorial video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video to support my work. See you in the next AI tutorial video. Bye-bye!